In this video we are going to see about data link protocol, and protocol means the set of rules or specification. So here the data link protocol means these are the specification for implement the data link. So the categories of this data link protocol falls into different types, that is asynchronous protocol and also synchronous protocol. So first we see about the asynchronous protocol, and this asynchronous protocol commonly used in modems. So that categories of this asynchronous protocols, it can be X modem, Y modem, Z modem, BLAST and Kermit and other, and we can see this 5 in this video. And this asynchronous protocols used primarily in modem features start and stop bits and variable length gap between characteristics. So first we see about the X modem frame, and it uses first byte, that is 8 bit. This is for start of header, SOH, start of header, and next 2 byte also used for header. So first is represent the frame number, and second header used to validate the sequence number. And each character contains start and stop bits, the dark portion of this box, and each character contains start and stop bits, and characters are separated by each other by gaps, and the characters are separated by each other by gaps. The header consists of 2 bytes. The header consists of 2 bytes, sequence number and its one's complement. So these 3 frame used in front of the data, and we can send a data size of 128 byte, and the final frame is CRC is used to check the error. So this is the X modem frame. And next we see about the Y modem, and Y modem protocol similar to X modem with the following major differences. First difference is the data unit is 1024 byte, and here 128 bytes, and here we can use 1024 bytes. 2 cans are sent to abort the transmission. So we can abort the transmission using this signal can, and this ITU-TCRC16 is used for error checking, and here we are using CRC, and here we are using CRC16 for error checking. And multiple files can be sent simultaneously. So these are the difference between X modem and Y modem. Next one is Z modem, and Z modem is newer protocol combining features of both X modem and Y modem. So next one is BLAST, that is blocked asynchronous transmission, is more powerful than X modem. It is a full duplex with sliding window flow control, and also this X modem, Y modem, Z modem all are support half duplex and stop and wait ARQ protocol. That is the X modem, Y modem, Z modem are half duplex stop and wait ARQ protocol, and this BLAST is full duplex with sliding window flow control. And here we cannot use sliding window method, we use stop and wait ARQ, and here this is the protocol that use full duplex with sliding window flow control. It allows the transfer of data and binary files. So next one is Hermit, and this Hermit first allows the transmission of control characteristics as text using 2 steps. First, the control character, which is used as text, is transformed to the printable character by adding a fixed number to its ASCII code representation. Second, the hash character is added to the front of the transformed character. So if the receiver detects this hash character, it knows that it must be dropped because that is the control character. So it dropped that, and that is a control character. And if the sender wants to send a hash character, 2 times we send this hash character. So it drop the first hash and take the next hash for count. So this is known as Hermit protocol. So all the protocols are used to send the data safely to the receiver side. For that they are using different types of method. And X modem that uses header file and also the CRC, and Y modem it says similar to X modem, and some differences compared to this X modem. Here we are using 128 byte, and in Y modem we are using 1024 byte, and also here we are using CRC, and here we can using CRC16 for error checking. and Z modem is a combination of both the X modem and Y modem. And PLAST, here the difference is we are using full duplex sliding window flow control, and all remaining this three we use stop and wait ARQ protocol. And also this Hermit, this is totally different compared to other four. Here we are using two-step control, that is first we send the text, after that we send the hash. This hash, when the receiver detect this hash, it dropped that hash before that, and up to this hash it dropped, and the data only it extract from this protocol. So these are the types of asynchronous protocol. And also this asynchronous protocol is very slow because it uses so many extra bit to transmit the data. So nowadays this slow asynchronous protocol is replaced with high speed asynchronous protocol. We can see the synchronous protocol in our next video.